Facing that frustrating Photoshop could not complete your request error. Let's get your creative flow back on track. The first crucial step is ensuring your system is running optimally. Navigate to your operating system's update settings and check for any available updates for your operating system and, importantly, your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a very common culprit for these kinds of program errors. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers specifically for your model. Next, let's try resetting Photoshop's preferences. This often clears out corrupted settings that might be causing the issue. To do this, while Photoshop is launching, hold down the Command and Option keys on a Mac, or Control and Alt keys on Windows. Keep holding them until you see the Delete Preferences file dialog. Click Yes. If you prefer not to hold the keys, you can also navigate to Edit greater than Preferences greater than General and click Reset Preferences on Quit. Then, close and reopen Photoshop. System resources can also play a big part. Open your Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS. Look for any applications or processes that are consuming a large amount of your CPU or RAM. If you find any unnecessary programs hogging resources, you can select them and end the task. This frees up valuable processing power for Photoshop to function correctly. Make sure the file you're working with isn't the problem either. Try opening a different, simpler Photoshop file to see if the error persists. If it only happens with a specific file, the file itself might be damaged or corrupted. With these steps, you should be well on your way to a smoother Photoshop experience. Happy editing!